Hi, Cherry from TM UK Car Dealership. So today I'll show you Suzuki Jimny 24-25 model. So I'll quickly show you the exterior. Clean condition. It's a brand new car. Very beautiful white color. We just sold a black one, which is parked over there. This has been sold, and this is available for sale. Suzuki Jimny Sierra. So this is the steering. We will put a new navigation system in it, a whole Android headset. These are the seats. If you want to have, it's almost like a 4-passenger car. On the back seats, you can drop it down. You can, for in case if someone want to come on the back. This has cruise control as well. Yeah. Okay. So these are the back seats. If you want to drop down the seats, you just need to pull this, throw it down, pull this, throw it down. That's how it works.